Energy-efficient window upgrades deliver immediate comfort and long-term savings for sliding glass doors Washington, D.C. homes, especially in rowhouses, condos, and apartments across the D.C. metro. Low-E glass installation, double-pane glass replacement, and triple-pane window upgrade options help reduce heat loss, improve indoor temperature control, and support draft reduction solutions during hot summers and cold winters. Homeowners searching for window replacement service, residential window replacement Washington, D.C., or energy-efficient window installation Washington, D.C. can also benefit from insulated glass unit replacement, weatherproof window sealing, and window and door retrofit work that improves performance without sacrificing style. These upgrades are ideal for home window upgrade D.C. area projects, low-E glass windows Washington, D.C., and insulated glass replacement Washington, D.C. needs. Many homeowners with sliding glass doors Washington, D.C. properties choose these upgrades to improve efficiency, comfort, and year-round performance. Sliding glass door replacement Washington, D.C. remains one of the most requested improvements for modern homes, townhomes, and apartments near Capitol Hill, Georgetown, Arlington, Silver Spring, Bethesda, and throughout the D.C. metro corridor. A custom sliding door service Washington, D.C. can include glass panel replacement, door track installation, glass door hardware replacement, and modern sliding door installation that restores smooth operation and stronger security. For properties with damaged tracks, worn rollers, or cracked panels, broken glass door installation and residential door frame replacement provide a fast path to safer, cleaner, more efficient living spaces. Homeowners looking for weatherproof sliding doors Washington, D.C. can also combine patio door replacement in Washington, D.C. with custom window fitting for a complete exterior refresh. Residential glass door installation and home exterior glass installation are essential when impact damage, seal failure, or warped framing affects a property's appearance and function. A residential glazing service or residential glazing contractor Washington, D.C. can handle broken glass door installation, patio door glass replacement, and glass door installation near Washington, D.C. with precision for single-family homes, duplexes, and multi-unit buildings. When the issue involves cracked panes, failed seals, or fogging between panes, insulated glass replacement Washington, D.C. and double-pane window replacement Washington, D.C. often solve the problem efficiently. For homeowners seeking a durable upgrade, vinyl window installation and vinyl window replacement Washington, D.C. can pair well with home glass replacement and house window upgrade plans across Washington, D.C. These improvements are especially beneficial for homes featuring sliding glass doors Washington, D.C., where energy efficiency and durability are top priorities. Window retrofit services D.C. Metro are a practical solution for older homes that need performance improvements without full structural reconstruction. Sash replacement service, custom window fitting, and window installation services in Washington, D.C. can modernize aging openings while preserving architectural character in historic neighborhoods like DuPont Circle, Brooklyn, and Logan Circle. Residential window replacement Washington, D.C. often includes energy-efficient window upgrades, draft reduction solutions, and weatherproof window sealing designed to lower utility costs and reduce outside noise. For apartments and townhomes, apartment window replacement Washington, D.C. and townhome sliding glass door installation Washington, D.C. help maintain code compliance, improve comfort, and support long-term property value in competitive local markets. Patio door glass replacement D.C. projects often require a combination of residential glazing service, sliding door track installation Washington, D.C., and glass panel replacement Washington, D.C. to restore easy access to decks, balconies, and rear patios. Homeowners in Washington, D.C. who need patio door replacement in Washington, D.C. or sliding glass door replacement Washington, D.C. can benefit from stronger framing, smoother operation, and better insulation. A residential glass contractor Washington, D.C. can also recommend low-E glass installation, glass door hardware replacement, and door frame installation Washington, D.C. homes when the structure has shifted or deteriorated. These upgrades are especially valuable for homes exposed to wind, rain, and temperature swings that make weatherproof sliding doors Washington, D.C. a smart investment. Residential door frame replacement and door frame installation. Washington, D.C. homes are critical when a door no longer closes correctly or when the frame has rotted, bent, or separated from the surrounding wall. In many cases, a broken window replacement Washington, D.C. or home glass installation Washington, D.C. service can be combined with door track installation and glass door hardware replacement to restore function quickly. Local homeowners seeking residential door and window service in the D.C. area often need a coordinated approach that includes sliding glass door replacement Washington, D.C., patio door glass replacement, and custom sliding door service Washington, D.C. This type of comprehensive work is especially useful for busy properties needing dependable access, secure locking, and polished curb appeal. Home glass replacement services are especially important for storm damage, accidental breakage, and aging seals that cause foggy or unsafe panes. A home glass installation Washington, D.C. provider can assess whether a simple glass panel replacement is enough or whether a larger residential glazing contractor Washington, D.C. project is required. In many cases, low-E glass windows Washington, D.C. and insulated glass replacement Washington, D.C. can improve year-round comfort while reducing glare and energy loss. Homeowners comparing window and door retrofit options often choose double-pane glass replacement, triple-pane window upgrade, or energy-efficient window installation Washington, D.C. to match their goals, property type, and budget across neighborhoods from Northwest D.C. to Northeast D.C. Custom sliding door service Washington, D.C. is a strong fit for homeowners who want tailored solutions for tight openings, non-standard dimensions, or premium finishes. With custom window fitting, modern sliding door installation, and residential glass contractor Washington, D.C. support, properties can achieve a cleaner look and better performance. Glass door installation near Washington, D.C. may also include weatherproof window sealing, sash replacement service, and door track installation Washington, D.C. to eliminate sticking, rattling, and air leaks. For homeowners focused on reducing energy bills, energy-efficient window upgrades, draft reduction solutions, and low-E glass installation remain top priorities, especially in older homes that need a reliable house window upgrade or window retrofit services D.C. Metro. Apartment window replacement Washington, D.C. and residential glazing contractor Washington, D.C. services are often chosen by landlords, property managers, and condo owners who need dependable results with minimal disruption. Window replacement service providers can handle vinyl window installation, vinyl window replacement Washington, D.C., and residential window replacement Washington, D.C. for multifamily properties, while also supporting glass panel replacement Washington, D.C. and broken window replacement Washington, D.C. emergencies. When paired with home exterior glass installation, insulated glass unit replacement, and weatherproof window sealing, these upgrades help reduce maintenance, improve tenant satisfaction, and strengthen property appeal. For the best results, many owners combine patio door glass replacement D.C. with window installation services in Washington, D.C. for a cohesive exterior finish. For sliding glass doors Washington, D.C., modern sliding door installation and sliding glass door replacement Washington, D.C. can instantly improve curb appeal, security, and daily use. When doors stick, drag, or fail to seal, door track installation, glass door hardware replacement, and broken glass door installation restore smooth operation fast. Homeowners searching for custom sliding door service Washington, D.C., weatherproof sliding doors Washington, D.C., or townhome sliding glass door installation Washington, D.C. can benefit from a full residential glass contractor Washington, D.C. that handles frame alignment, glass panel replacement, and residential door frame replacement with precision. Energy efficiency is a major reason many property owners choose window replacement service, energy-efficient window upgrades, and residential window replacement Washington, D.C. Double-pane window replacement Washington, D.C., triple-pane window upgrade, and insulated glass unit replacement help reduce heat loss, support draft reduction solutions, and lower utility costs across the D.C. metro area. Low-E glass installation and low-E glass windows Washington, D.C. also improve comfort for homes, condos, and apartments needing better insulation and year-round performance. Broken glass, fogged panes, or cracked seals call for residential glass door installation, home glass installation Washington, D.C., and patio door glass replacement D.C. Whether you need patio door replacement in Washington, D.C., patio door glass replacement, or glass panel replacement Washington, D.C., a skilled residential glazing service can provide insulated glass replacement Washington, D.C., glass door installation near Washington, D.C., and home exterior glass installation for fast, reliable restoration. For emergency damage, broken window replacement Washington, D.C. and glass panel replacement can quickly secure the property. Upgrading old units with vinyl window installation, vinyl window replacement Washington, D.C., and house window upgrade services can transform older properties throughout Washington, D.C. Custom window fitting and window and door retrofit solutions are ideal for row homes, apartments, and townhomes needing better performance without a full structural overhaul. Residential window replacement. Washington, D.C., apartment window replacement Washington, D.C., and window installation services in Washington, D.C. support improved aesthetics, durability, and long-term value. Weatherproof window sealing, sash replacement service, and residential glazing service help prevent leaks, condensation, and air intrusion in challenging mid-Atlantic weather. Homeowners seeking window retrofit services D.C. Metro, door frame installation Washington, D.C. Homes, or residential glass contractor Washington, D.C. support can count on precise installations that extend the life of existing systems. Adding energy-efficient window installation Washington, D.C. and draft reduction solutions is a smart move for homes that need better indoor comfort and lower maintenance. From sliding door track installation Washington, D.C. to residential door frame replacement and glass door hardware replacement, every detail matters in a successful upgrade. Services such as Home Window Upgrade D.C. Area, D.C. Residential Door and Window Service, and Residential Glass Door Installation deliver dependable results for homeowners wanting stronger performance and cleaner appearance. For custom window fitting, insulated glass replacement Washington, D.C., and modern sliding door installation, the right Washington, D.C. specialist can improve function, efficiency, and style in one project. Homeowners investing in sliding glass doors Washington, D.C. can maximize these benefits with professional installation, quality materials, and long-term maintenance support.